today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best HP discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for HP discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com, and as you can see we have some promotions right here that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this 25% discount on your purchase, simply tap on this promotion right here, and this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy the promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase to get a discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit you should be able to find this website Retail Me Not. And right here we also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get, let's say, this one with a free shipping site-wide, simply tap on this promotion right here. And for this one there is no code required. You'll be redirected to the website and that free shipping will be applied automatically on your purchase. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.